Hey guys, welcome back to Earful Scoop. Whether we like it or not, bad words are a part of every language. The interesting thing is, the reason they are bad is often cultural. To be honest, I have no idea how this word became offensive, but in most situations it is. So it's important to understand how these words are used in language even if you don't want to use them. Before I explain, please understand I am not suggesting you to use these. I only want you to understand how some phrases are used so that when you hear them, you'll understand. Let's begin. Today, we learn about fuck. Before that, please do subscribe and support. Number 1. Fuck. This is very simply an exclamation when something very good, bad, or crazy happens. Example: fuck, I lost my application. Number 2. Holy fuck. This is an exclamation used for amazement or fear. Example: holy fuck, you scared me, don't do that again. Number 3. Fuck yeah or fuck no. These basically mean very yes and very no, which are both wrong. It's something you would say when you strongly agree or strongly disagree. Example: let's listen to this dialogue. A. Let's go to the zoo. Fuck yeah, let's go. Do you like tigers? Number 4. Fucked up. This has two meanings. It either means a big mistake or extremely bizarre. Example: today I fucked up by using my mom's credit card to buy cake. Now she knows. Number 5. A fuck up. A failure or a loser is sometimes called a fuck up. Example: I always thought I was a complete fuck up and until I realized I was a yo-yo prodigy. Number 6. Fuck it. This is used when you think you should not do something but change your mind and just do it, or throw caution to the wind. Example: want to go to KTV? Are you fucking serious? It's already 1 am. Yeah, sure. Fuck it, let's go. Number 7. Fucked. When you are in trouble or a bad situation, you're fucked. Example: I can't pay my credit card this month. I'm so fucked. Number 8. Fuck off. It means either go away or waste time depending on the situation. Example: why are you still at my party? I thought I told you to fuck off. Get the fuck out of here. Number 9. Fuck all. This basically means nothing. Example: I put in 8 years of hard work and got fuck all for it. Number 10. What the fuck, who the fuck, or why the fuck we can use. This is used for confusion or dismay. Example: what the fuck are you doing here? What the fuck is going on? I'm so confused. Number 11. Give a fuck. A fuck is similar to a thing you care about. If you did give a fuck, you care. If you don't give a fuck, you don't care. I don't give a fuck is equal to I don't care. Example: I don't give a fuck about politics. Number 12. Fuck this. People often say fuck this when they are doing something and want to give up. Example: I can't stay out here in the cold anymore. It's freezing. Fuck this. I'm going inside. Number 13. Fuck that. Fuck that is used when you hear about something that doesn't sound very enjoyable, something you don't want to do. Example: fuck job interviews. I'm going to start my own business. The last one, number 14. Fucking. Fucking by itself is often used as an adjective very similar to very. People sometimes use it informally around friends. Sometimes people change fucking to freaking so they can say the same thing without actually cursing. Example: the egg sandwich is fucking amazing. She's fucking crazy. Thanks for watching Earful Scoop. Please do share, support and subscribe.